what's inside. Actually guys, this is my first time, and this is gonna be my first time going for camping. Hello guys! Hello! Kumusta po? My vlog for today is just all about unboxing. And guys, before watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you will be notified for my next videos, guys. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Once again, this is GZ. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and like my video, and don't forget to click the bell button so you will be notified for my next videos, guys. So today's vlog is just all about unboxing actually this is my camping bag or sleeping bag. So this is actually this is for the, like, you know, for the floor before this one. And we're going to unbox it, guys. Actually this one we bought it in Otto's Kreuzlingen. So this is the tag, guys. Tag Otto's. It's from Otto's Kreuzlingen. And this one, it's from I don't know where's the tag, but it's from Decathlon. This is from Decathlon. So we're gonna unbox it, guys, to see what's inside. Actually guys, this is my first time, and this is gonna be my first time going for camping. So here I'm gonna tell you the description of this sleeping bag. It's comfort plus 11 degrees and wrist is negative 7 degrees. And the length of this sleeping bag is 220. And the width is 80, and the width of the head part is 80, and the width on the feet area is 55. So here is it, guys. I'm gonna show it to you. What is the name of this one? Baby, this one, what is the name? This one, hello. Baby. What is the name? What is the name? Huh? Mattress. This is a mattress. Air mattress. This is an air mattress, guys. Air mattress. And here it is an air mattress. Oh, similar color. It matched. And oh, similar color. It matched. Why not the palm before the bicycle? You mean I can do this every day? No. I cannot.
You promised the world and I fell for it. I put you first.